Water plays a significant role in weight loss and your overall health, but for some people, it is so hard to get adequate hydration in a day. Let's talk about how water can help with weight loss. First, drinking an adequate amount of water is important for day-to-day functions of your body, including your metabolism and digestion. When you're well hydrated, your body can better metabolize stored fat and convert it into energy. Studies have shown that drinking water can temporarily increase your resting energy expenditure, which is the number of calories your body burns at rest. Second, drinking water before a meal can help you eat less and prevent overeating. It helps to fill you up without adding any extra calories to your diet. Third, replacing sugary drinks with water is a great way to cut calories. Most sugary drinks are high in calories with very little nutritional value, whereas water is calorie-free, can help quench your thirst. If you're not a fan of plain water, look for some of the no-calorie flavored water options. And fourth, consuming foods that have a high water content, such as vegetables and broth-based soups, can also contribute to your overall water intake. These foods are often low in calories and high in fiber, making them beneficial for weight loss. It is important to note that while water can support weight loss efforts, it is not a magic solution on its own. A healthy and well-balanced diet, regular physical activity, and other lifestyle factors also play significant roles in achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. Additionally, individual needs for water intake may vary. Water, weight loss, and integrating healthy habits into your lifestyle is our specialty and our passion. If you would like to improve your overall health with weight loss, please reach out to us at healthymeweightloss.com.